Hi everyone, I'm at Dollar Tree. How cool are these? That these plates glow in the dark. They also have a matching bowl. Then look at this. It's so cool. It's a little placemat like a skull. Love that. They also have this little plate right here with the 3 skulls. Super cute. Look at these plates right here. And they also have the matching napkins over here that I'll show you guys. Look at how awesome those are. Then there's this plate right here that's like glittered. Love that. Some little black bowls. Oh, there's also this little table, like runner. Super cute. They have their normal pumpkins. And then these are the skulls that I got last year. They're like a velvet. So they're a velvet skull. They come in black and green this year. They also have some outdoor little lights, really cute to light up your walkway. Here they have a little sign, some paintable wood pieces for the kids. Here's some more over here. And then those are just the velvet skulls right there again at the bottom. Oh, that's really cute. Like a velvet spider. This one's a 2-pack. Here's a better look at that velvet skull. There was one open over here, so I just want to show you guys. They were super, super pretty. Okay, I'm dying right now. I feel like I bought these last year. So there's a vampire, a witch, and a Frank No Me Homie. I super want to buy Frank because I don't want to miss out, but I feel like I already have him. And then over here they have some little signs, some more wall decor stuff. That skeleton glows in the dark. Super cool. Love anything that glows in the dark for Halloween. Oh look, there's red spiders down over there. These are really pretty little signs. Then we have some fall. In case you don't celebrate Halloween and you want some fall decor, they do have a ton of options for that. We'll go around back that way in a minute. This store doesn't have very much. Usually they have some candy right here, but I feel like I've been to better stores that had more available. So here's some more of the fall decor. Lots of options, really cute decorations, ribbon. Oh look, here's some fabric. Oh, did we have this one last year? Is that new? See, I need to watch my old videos so I know what I already have. I should have pulled out my stash already, but I'm gonna get that Nomi one. Oh look, here, somebody opened it, so that's what the gnome one looks like. I'm gonna grab one of those. Definitely need to go to another location. I feel like they have a lot better stuff at one of my other stores that I had been to. There's just more, but I just want to show you guys what is out. Oh look, these are cool. They are light up little skulls, and then they do have pumpkins as well. Yep, the glitter does come off. It's all over my hand already. Then there are these solar lights as well. I really like this coffin. That's really cute. Oh, look, these little light projectors. They had these last year. This is on an end cap. I feel like those are new. Those little glass bottles I had last year. These I feel like are definitely new. Random little foot. How funny is that? Oh, they're like curtains. So there's little bats, then orange ones. I feel like that's new. I don't remember seeing that before. Okay, so I did double check, and the chair trays I only found is the bat and the ghost, but in the lights they had orange, purple, and there is a white one back there in case you're interested. Oh, look at this little like snow globe. That's cute. I love these. It reminds me of Little Shop of Horror. Love those. Oh my gosh, these are bags. It says plush bag. I thought it was like a dog thing. How stinking cute are these? Okay, these are $3. I'm not a cat person, but that is cute with the eyes that shift. Oh wait, I think there's a pumpkin back there. Oh, there is. How stinking cute is that? So yeah, there's 4 of them. Really, really cute. Here's my little craft section. We'll go down there later. I'm gonna go see if I can find the $3 aisle. Here's their $3 aisle, and oh my gosh, look at this dude right here. A candy corn Nomi homie. I don't remember seeing him before. I don't think I have him. I kind of want to get him, but I'm gonna be good. There was some blankets at some point. Oh wow, this whole set is empty already. These pumpkins right here are really pretty. Look at that. It's like wrapped, super cute. They have 3 colors at this store. Here is some little like garland, pumpkin. There's what that one looks like. Oh, there's a candy corn. Oops. There's a candy corn one right there. Super cute. If you drop things that make a mess, always be kind and pick it up. That's what I do. So I did pick up the things that I dropped. Oh, look, there's some lights right here. So this is the $5, $3 section. Some signs. Oh my gosh. A tier tray. That is bats. I'm so taking that one. These are really cute too with little skulls. Here's some more pom-pom garland. There's some little ghosties. These little skull cups are really cute. Oh, look at these. They're like big cone trees. Oh, look at the little haunted house too. This guy is only $5. That's really, really good. I feel like that would be a lot more if you found it like at Target or Walmart. Oh, this is cool. It's a light up spider net. I kind of want to buy that one. Oh wait, there's another tier tray. This one has ghosties. I'm definitely going to stick with the bat one. Let me see if there's some more down here. Hold on. So I did not know that these cups came in gold. I feel like I should get one, but I'm gonna be good. I'm supposed to not be spending more than I should be. They have these really pretty lanterns right here that I think you can go ahead and decorate with your Cricut. It would be really, really nice. These are some solar lanterns down here that are really cute. There's different kinds of candles. These metal trays I've shown in a previous video. Just here's some more items right here. Look at this candle. It says that it's a bleeding candle. That's $5. See, this cup is really cute. I kind of want that gold one, but I'm not going to get it. I'm going to be good. Then here are those snow globes. Then there are these little like ghosties. Oh, they light up. And they have the candy corn. So here's kind of a big overview of my $5, $3 aisle. Let's go see what else we could find. So they've definitely changed my store around. These I have not seen before. Looks like you get all these like skin tones. So if you like to color, that might be really good to go ahead and grab. So this store is very busy all the time, and they have like moved things around. So I'm trying to walk through the aisles and see what else I can find. So this is our like pin section. I'm gonna go ahead on down to the craft and show you guys what they have over there. I'm not sure there's anything new. Oh look, I have not seen these in person until right now. They're like little discs for your planners. I think I'm gonna get some black ones and do some like little Halloween crafting. I can't remember who did it, but they used these to do like a tag flip, and I thought that was really cute and creative. So I'm gonna get a pair of the black ones. This is the second time I've ever seen a scanner in Dollar Tree. I'm really excited to see that and see that they are going to start including it. I wasn't sure if it was just that other store because it was newer that had it, but looks like they're all gonna get it. So here is my crafting section. Oh, I hadn't seen those before. There are $5 kits down there. Oh, there's some more pillows over here in the craft section. And here is our vinyl. Here's the wood and metal. Here's the glitter paper. I've only used the glitter paper as background pieces for a card that I did, or background pieces for like a project. So I need to get it and see if I can actually go ahead and die cut that. Oh, that's new. I haven't seen that before. Clay tools, that's interesting. So there's not really a whole lot going on over here that looks new. Oh, that's new. These little like sheets for your yarn to kind of like cross stitch the yarn. I don't know what it's called, but okay guys, I think I'm going to go ahead and wrap up this video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys are having an amazing day, and we'll see you later. Bye guys.